Oh, go. Dito kayo. Dance, dance. Alam mo si Pabo ng Golden. I-video ko kayo. Golden, go.
I was a girl. I was alone. Ha, to a gym. Ha, cause again. Ha, better than a throne. I didn't know. Ha, to believe I was a queen. I meant to be. I hit both sides as I quit both sides, but I couldn't find my own place. I quit both sides as I quit both worlds, but I couldn't find my own face. To a state, I'm done hiding. Now I'm shining like I'm born to be. Catching we've been hoping, there's no noises. We're born to be. We go now. The moment. Gonna be golden. Gonna be golden.
Oh, what happened? Ayaw ano? May amoy nga oh. May ano dyan? Sunog na ano? Ha?
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
She's shy. Where's Babu?
Hi, vlog.
Hi vlog, good afternoon, good morning. We're here now. Papasyal na naman. Go, go, go. Where's Babu? Where's Babu? She's watching at the road. Nanonood ng TikTok. Good morning everyone. It's Monday. Siyempre, papasyal natin ang bata. Ano nila ngayon, wala silang pasok ng 1 week. Kailangan ipasyal si Jewel. Hindi nagwawala yan. Your scooter, yeah? Okay? Bring it scooter. Bring it down. Come on. Nandito kami ngayon sa likod bahay. Ay, Jewel, ang kulit sa bahay. Kaya yun, kailangan ipasyal. Ha?
No, you hold. I think Babu is a hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello. Ayan. Slowly lang. Tapos na yun. Tapos na. Winter na.
Hello.
Hindi sa iba, ano na eh.
Hello.
Fighting. Go, anak.
I have 2 hands.
Hello, guys.
Hello.
Here we go again.
Hello.
Mamamasya na naman kami dito kasi wala silang pasok. So, kailangan natin ipasyal yung mga bata dito sa UK.
It's Monday today.
Dahil kung hindi, mabuboring sila. Maghahanap ng sisirain sa home.
We are going.
Yeah.
We are going to Calacan first, which we already.
After that,
We are going to Calacan first. So we're going to Calacan first.
yeah, Green Park.
And then Green Park, Macdo, and then Andre Park, and then go home.
Yes,
So,
that's my daughter.
it's a beautiful day to go outside. I'm sure it's not raining.
Yeah, it's not raining. Look, we need and also we need a vitamin D for you.
Yeah, a vitamin D. And then,
Ang ganda ng panahon kasi ngayon, oh. Ayan, oh.
look at me.
Oh. Oh, where's your Lola? Where's your Babu?
Babu's sa
Cellphone again.
sa likod.
Nagsi-cellphone, no?
Hindi.
Hindi.
Sa likod.
Kasama namin si Lola niya, oh. Kailangan rin maglakad-lakad. Para yung tugo.
She's running.
Okay, balikan namin kayo guys mamaya. Ha?
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hello. Napakaganda ng araw. Haring araw lumabas. Ayan o. Yan. Si Jewel, tuwang-tuwa na naman siya. Nakalabas na naman.
I want to eat candy.
Candy floss. Remember yesterday, you have a free candy floss at CC Restaurant.
Yeah.
Remember that one, right? Maganda ng panahon. Hello! How are you, man?
Oh, I'm good. I'm good.
I'm very good. What's with you?
Huh?
You see the video, right?
Yeah, I haven't seen the video. Wait, what was your channel again?
Jewel channel. Jewel.
Jewel, okay. My channel.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'll see you.
Yeah. Bye. You know what's the name? Ah, anong name mo? I forgot. Jacob. Yeah, Jacob. Naalala mo pa pala.
Hi!
Oh, sige, scooter ka. Go scooter. Lakad-lakad ko ah. Lakad-lakad ko. Ganda ng araw. Go. Your bag, akin ah. Okay, dali mo lang bag mo. Akin yung bag mo. Hold tight, alright?
Alright.
British, are you right, mate?
Yeah. What is that, mate?
La, la, la.
Ow!
Okay, balikan namin kayo. Dito kayo muna, ang ganda ng panahon. Oh, yan, lakad-lakad tayo. Come, let's go. Yeah, lakad-lakad tayo. Yan. Masarap maglakad. Mga 10 rounds siguro. 10 rounds tayo. No way. We need to exercise every day. Diba? Sabihin mo kay Babu after this, Babu, sabay ka sa amin, lakad-lakad. Diba?
Yeah. Vitamin D.
Vitamin D. Ha? Vitamin D. Vitamin D. See you guys, balikan namin kayo. Oh. Come, sama mo si Daddy. Come on. Let's go. Ikot-ikot lang kami. Start ng walang pasok sa Monday today. Naku, may 9 days sila walang pasok. Kailangan mo ilabas ang bata. Potion again, yeah. Choose the nice one, okay? Bring home. Yan, may fusion daw siya. Mahilig na ito mag-experiment. Nakikita mo si Jacob, yung friends mo. Only 1 or 2, not more than that, okay? Put in your bag, inside your... Hi, Ken! Let's go!
I think 4 is enough.
Lakad-lakad.
Harap sa ano?
Oh, yan oh.
Harap.
Hindi ba yung nakaharap? Let's go! Bagal. Harap dito. Harap kayo dito oh.
That's enough.
Sige pa, nag-video si Daddy. Go! No, please.
I'm full.
I know, but ilamig.
Nice work. Number 4.
Number 4.
We're gonna start in 5, 3, 2, 1. Arms wide and hands to your hips.
2 hands to the hips.
Big step. Over.
That's true. Sige lang, exercise kayo dyan lang para maglalakad. Oh, dito ka sa likod namin. Diyan ka lang.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Lakas pa sa Regina eh. Oh, dito tayo lang, dito tayo oh. Maputik dyan. Come on, come on. Punta tayo ng ano ngayon, isang park. Tapos McDonald's daw si Jewel. Walang katapos ng McDonald's. Mag-coffee tayo. Ano gusto mo, coffee? Mag-coffee ako eh. Ano gusto mo? Ayaw mo? Hasya, sige. Ayan, bahala ka. Palaki ka na. Oo, yung ano mo, tubig mo. Let's go. Dito oh. Be careful kasi.
Lila with the other hand.
No. Don't ano. Ay, oh, daming ano oh.
Dami naman pupo oh.
Kaya nga eh, dami no.
Nagiraw siya eh.
Oh,
They feel cold.
Winter eh, kaya pag summer, mainitan yan sila. Oh, yun na, sige, go. Tingnan natin. Go, 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 go. Ay. Ayaw lumipad eh. Kasi mahangin. La, 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 la. Meron pala dito ulo. You can do that here. Okay. Mahangin kasi. Napaka oh, grabe hangin ngayon, parang may bagyo eh, no? May bagyo yata ngayon eh. Kahit dito sa UK may storm din naman eh. Oo, malakas dito. Oo, kaya lang hindi tulad sa Pilipinas, may kasamang ulan. Dito malakas din. Pero sa outside siya, yung mga kahoy, pero hindi siya maganda yung struktura ng paggawa dito. Pilipinas kasi may kasamang bagyo, ano talaga ulan, yung baha. Flood control na naman. Okay, wait lang. Oh, go, go, go. Dali, dali, dali sa kabila. Babo. Magkano na yata kami ngayon mag McDonald's. Gutom na raw si Jewel. Gutom ka na? Ha?
Na 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 na.
Hi guys. Sarap?
You need to blow it first.
Init.
You need to blow it.
Init. Sarap na sarap. Napasarap pa sa sobrang ng ano, ng McDonald's ah. Oh.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Init.
I told you you have to blow it.
Tanggalin ko na ito.
Hello. Hello. What's that?
Balikan namin kayo guys. Saan tayo punta?
We are going to bounce loud.
Again. No toys, okay?
Okay, just
No toys, please. Punta kami na dito. Dito, baby, oh. Yan, oh. Ito, oh. Ito, nice. Ano, dito ka, oh. Oh. Let's go. Come on. Let's go, mate. Come on. Laki yan. Oo, minsan dito yung tayo mo. Pwede ka magtayo pagka kung kaya mo yung ano. Oh, yung ano, scooter. Please, that.
I got 30 bucks.
Oh. What's that?
I haven't eaten Skittles.
Dali mo to, mama. Bibili si daddy, oh. Please, dadali mo to, dali mo to. That's yours, okay? It's not mine. Wala namang ano rito. Walang ano? Nexa? Walang sani. Saan kabila? Savers? Oo nga, doon nga. Wala dito eh. Isa may dito. O, dito na tayo kasi gusto ni Jewel eh. O, sige, te. Go, go, go. Anong gusto mong food? Here, food. Dog food yan dyan. Dog food yan. Dog food yan eh. Dito, oh. Dog food yung ano mo.
I like it.
No. Dito ka, oh. Food, di ba? Food tayo. Food, sweets. Let's go. Come on na, Jewel. Nag-usap na tayo. Nag-usap na kami. No toys, okay? Food lang.
Hot. I'm hot.
Okay. Okay na, mamaya.
Bye.
O, anong gusto? No, skitters again. We have this one phone. It's a big one, no? Yung small one lang. Small one. Small skitters lang. And the... Yes. O, dito kay Bawal. Gusto ni Bawal.
Ayun lang sila, 150 na ngayon.
150 na. 1 pound lang yun sa ano? 1 pound lang yun sa silver.
Nag-150 na ngayon. Tama.
Mahal.
Dalawa pala, 150.
Dalawa, 150. So, dalawa lang kunin mo. Kasi 3 pag isa. Hindi, 150 isa.
Save coins.
Ano, Jewel? Nakakuha ka na? Bagal mo kumuha. We're going na.
Ano ba yung wala dito sure lang at smart.
Okay nga eh. Jewel, anong gusto mo? Sige na, sige na.
Ooh, I like funny money.
Funny money.
Yeah.
Okay. O, anything.
And this.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
O, happy ka na.
No
Oh,
way.
pakita mo sa vlog.
I was which
What color? Green? Bio, ano yun? Isang
No,
bawal yun eh.
wait. Red like Rebecca because she's my friend.
Okay. Okay na. Ano gusto mo? Okay na? Tara na. Ayan gusto niyo. Okay na.
Like Rebecca. Rebecca likes
Lollipop.
Haribo?
Lollipop. O, let's go na doon tayo. Mag-pay na tayo. Then punta tayo sa ano doon. Walang ano dito. Bye guys. Alis mo na kami. Punta kami na ano, Savers. Walang gusto ko rito. Ay. Doon ka bumili sa ano?
Let's go!
Doon. Doon, alam mo, doon matis ko. Si mami mo na bahala dyan. Tara, laki na yan. Bili na tayo.
See you guys, and thank you for watching our video. I hope you have a lovely day in my channel.
Yeah.
Goodbye. See you
Bye-bye.
tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
See you at Tuesday or Wednesday. Hello. Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you guys.
Bye-bye. Is that your turn?
Not your shoes? Okay.
It's the cars.